we're trying to highlight in an artistic way the idea of what's happening in thousands of miles away in Southeast Asia, in South America, in northern boreal forests of Canada and the USA. So the issues of weather and the water and everything really relate to the rainforests and to the oceans, and both are being attacked and destroyed. So I had to do something that really stirred up emotion, something that got people thinking, you know, why is he doing this?
2015 ZIEHL-ABEGG promotes the Blue Year. What does the Blue Year mean? We as an industrial company with all our employees would like to raise the finger and make people aware about the importance of the environment. And this session here, the Blue Trees, is the highlight of the year. The idea is to make all car drivers, pedestrians aware of the importance of trees of our environment. We take so much granted for now that we are not aware of what kind of effort these trees do for our air and water treatment. This is the purpose of this activity.
It's a water-based biodegradable pigment and water. It has no effect on trees or waterways or life. We've been doing it since 2003. We've done it in 14 cities. No trees have been harmed, no people have been harmed. Look, colouring trees or using pigment on trees has happened for centuries. The Greeks have used it on their olive trees to protect them from bugs. Finland and Sweden, they use the same type of pigment to protect them from cold. So this has been used for many years. I'm not introducing something that is new. I'm just using a colour that shouldn't be on a tree in some ways. And I'm doing that in order to get people's attention. I love the energy of the young people that come here, and you saw them today. There were so many, and everyone was excited. Everyone wanted to help. And I think children and teenagers do care. They have an empathy with. They just don't know how to use that yet. They're trying to find themselves.
I would like to thank the Mayor of Künzelsau for his support to allow this activity, because it's not granted that we are stopping the traffic, that we are holding down people, making them aware. So the whole process of living has slowed down because people would like to see and understand what we are doing here.
Ich möchte an dieser Stelle mich natürlich auch ganz herzlich bei den Schulen bedanken, bei den Lehrern, die spontan bereit waren, an dieser Aktion mitzumachen. Und wer die Gelegenheit hatte, hier dabei zu sein und sich das anzusehen, wie viel Spaß die Schüler hatten, diese Bäume anzumalen, sich bewusst zu werden, was sie tun, für welchen Zweck sie das tun. Allein das war es wert, diese jungen Menschen zu sensibilisieren für diese Aktion. Ich würde sagen, wir sollten an diesem Punkt diesen Turm enthüllen und das neue Wahrzeichen von ZIEHL-ABEGG Ihnen vorstellen.
Herzlich willkommen. We've had the gods with us here in Germany, because as somebody said to me, it's normally raining at this time of the year. So maybe the idea of issues regarding warmth, the climate change issue may be visible here. So every place has its own unique challenges and aspects, and never get the same thing. The photographs you'll get from here over the next 6 months to a year will be completely different, because as nature comes into we create the artwork, and then nature comes in and plays its part. Nature will come in terms of snow, nature will come in terms of leaves coming in spring, buds coming up. Nature will come when the leaves come on, and then they change in the autumn when the colours change. That is part that will happen here. And so the artwork, although we've created it today, will keep growing and changing and becoming a spectacle over the next year.